This is the updates on Trixie. I made a video because she was not feeling good last night, and she's doing a lot better, aren't you, honey? Yeah, we're taking a bath right now. Evie's sleeping. Evie's sleeping, Mixie. Give Evie some kisses, Mixie. Give Evie kisses, not me. You won't give mommy kisses? Aw, you're feeling better, huh, girl? But yeah, I just thought I'd make a little update video, show you that Trixie's doing better. She wants a little belly rubbed. You want your belly rubbed, Mixie? You like your belly rubbed? Oh, look at her little foot. You feeling better, Mix around me? Say, rub my belly. I like my belly rubbed. Thank you, baby. Yeah, I just thought I'd make an update video. Show you that little Mixie's doing better. Hannah. You know, Evie over there sleeping. Nice. But yeah. Just show you my little Trixie's doing better. She wants her belly rubbed. Let's see. You say bye? Can you say I feel better? Say thanks for praying for me, people. Say thanks for praying, Trixie. Can you say that? Just look at the kid. Just look at everybody real cute. Then they'll know you're sorry saying that. Yeah, that's a good girl. Say bye.